back to my channel. I'm here with the gorgeous Nuzhah. And we are going to be playing with makeup today. We're swapping each other's makeup routines.
And creating these looks.
And creating these really fun looks. So yeah, we had a lot of fun just chatting it up and doing our makeup. I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, keep on watching.
And also, we said at the end to watch my video. Should we put it in the beginning also?
Yeah, you just did.
Like myself, guys, go to my channel down below and watch our reverse makeup video together. It's a fun one.
Yeah, there'll be a link in my bio.
Yeah.
I need to start with brows.
Mm-hmm.
Which actually secretly I did start doing because of her.
Because this is take 2.
Yeah, we did a look together and we were very quiet in that video, so I wasn't too happy with it. I didn't want to upload something like really boring. I wanted to upload something fun because that is how like me and Nuzhah's relationship. But we were very tired because we did that video after we did her video, so now we're doing another one. And yeah, so I already picked up the habit of doing brows first because of her.
And I picked up the habit of actually doing my eyes first, which I never used to do. I first did my brows and then my eyes. So we are swapping routines, or old routines anyway. So I'm gonna start off with my eyes now. Oh, I'm busy using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow base.
I'm going in with brows first, and obviously I'm doing the soap trick.
Okay, so how do you find freelancing?
So honestly, like I used to enjoy it so much because that's what like got me started with makeup. But now I just feel like it takes up too much time for the amount of work that we do now. Like back then, it was okay to drive up to like 3 clients in one day. And most of it would be the driving, but now it's just...
But you still are freelancing though.
Yeah.
Just not in that sense.
Yeah, so I'm still freelance, but it's only for the clients that want to come here to my studio, which is in Century City, which is quite central. But I don't drive out to clients anymore, I don't do call-outs.
No,
look how much thicker the brow goes with the fluffy brow.
Yeah.
Like just compare the two. This one is so thin. Look here.
Yeah.
Looks funny.
No, but I'm saying like, I think what they mean by freelancing includes even like the content creation of what you're doing now. Because even though brands like pay us to do it, it's still freelancing because it's not like a 9 to 5 corporate job.
Oh, how I find it like as in working as a freelancer and not a 9 to 5.
Yes.
I fucking love it. I am obsessed with freelancing. Like I had my fair share of working in retail and working to somebody else's hours, and I hated it. Oh my goodness. Now, well, you can't really wake up whatever time you want to, especially if you like want to succeed.
I think that's like the most difficult part working as a freelancer. It's like that self-motivation that you need to have.
That's so true.
It's so tough because there's literally some days where you wake up and you're just having like the worst day. You wake up in like a horrible mindset and you're like, I need to actually finish this because I actually have a deadline. I need to get content out, like I can't have nothing to post, that kind of stuff. So in that kind of a way, it is difficult. And also it's like that whole like, you at a different space. So obviously you've been doing this longer and like have a bigger platform. So obviously like you have a lot of retainers and whatever, but like for the normal freelancer, I think it's also like a struggle of like, are you gonna make enough this month kind of thing? Do you have enough jobs? You have to basically secure it yourself. So there is a lot of stress, and I think for me that like when I was starting out doing this and it wasn't like a pressure to earn money, I enjoyed it more because I had more like creative freedom, and also like I didn't have the stress of having to like know like, oh, I have to make this amount so I can pay this rent, I have to do this, you know what I mean? So like it was more easier for things to kind of come to my mind. But now it's almost like there's a thing at the back of my mind where I'm always like, okay, so you need to budget, you need to make sure that you have this amount every month to cover this. So
are you having scary, eh?
Yeah, it's really overwhelming at times. So like, but at the end of the day, it's also so rewarding because your time is your own, and like you don't need to answer to a boss. And if like for example you want to work at 2 a.m. instead of 2 p.m. you can.
Yeah, but also you can't get lazy.
Yeah, that's the thing. There's no room for laziness, because if you get lazy, you don't make any money. So
especially with us, like we constantly working even on the weekend.
yeah, so like there is no this time to this time. Like you, even if you're going to an event or whatever, it's still work, because you're gonna have to post about it, you're gonna have to advertise a brand or whatever. Like it doesn't stop, so your mind is constantly busy, which isn't always a good thing. But yeah, there's pros and cons, I guess.
What is your top makeup tip for beginners?
I would say invest in like one good eyeshadow palette and invest in good skin. So like a lot of the times people are like they need to get every single makeup under the sun when they start out, but they really don't need to.
Yeah.
Just a really good quality eyeshadow palette is needed, and you can do a lot of creative looks with that.
Yeah, I also agree with the skin thing, because you need to start like on a good base and looking after your skin comes first, because that's where you're applying your makeup, obviously. And then I would say brushes, like start out with some good brushes. Essence has really nice brushes, Real Techniques. I started out with like my mom's blush brush, and I used that one brush for a million things. And then I went into Edgar's, and I bought their boutique brand. It's like 30 rand a brush. That boutique brand is actually very good brushes. When I was working in Edgar's, and then I used to buy a lot of their stuff. And then I actually got my first blending brush from them, and I really liked it. I used it for years. So brushes, I feel good brushes, and you don't have to have all of them. Tell me, what is your favorite what is that?
Arctic.
What the hell did I write? Okay.
Maybe it's artist.
Oh yes.
When you can't even read your own handwriting, that's when you know.
That's when you know. Let's talk a bit about building your makeup kit when you start as an artist.
What was like your first kind of a kit? What did it have in it?
Okay, so I did study.
Yeah.
I studied at the makeup issue in town. Yeah, so they gave me a NYX makeup kit.
Really? Full NYX?
Full NYX. Because NYX just came to South Africa that year that I was studying. So they wanted to test how it would work in a makeup artist kit. But then when I went to go work at Calvin Klein, obviously allocation and like employee discounts and stuff definitely helped with building my kit.
Yeah.
And then I worked at MAC, and yeah, they had a lot of good artists, so they was constantly getting free makeup, and obviously my allocation every few months. So yeah, that's how I kind of built my kit. But before I studied, I started out with like buying one product at a time from Essence and Clicks, and using my mom's and my sister's makeup.
I feel like we all started with Essence, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Because it's like really affordable and it's good quality.
Stop
doing
yourself,
it,
yeah.
because you're not there yet. You don't have what you think you need yet. Like
True.
some people have all the things they need and they still don't do it. So like, just do it. It might not be like Roshana's makeup at the start, but like you'll get there.
100%.
You know.
What's your favorite primer to use?
To be honest, like I'll use whatever's in my drawer.
Be one of those.
I
I'm one
am.
of those.
Like I'll just use whatever primer is there. I really like the Max Strobe cream. I think I told you that already.
Yeah, you said.
I really like that Max Strobe cream, and I also like the Fenty primer, and I also like the Flormova primer, and I also like Smashbox, of course.
Flormova is also my favorite, but this J1 primer is like really.
J1. This is a primer. It looks like a hair product. What is this from? Is this from Shop Clothes? It's a primer, a makeup primer.
It's like a.
I want to use it today.
It feels like gel. Yes, please do. You're gonna die. You see, your makeup's gonna stay on forever.
Really?
Like, it's insane. Some advice for people that wanna find their perfect foundation.
Why do people always ask about foundation?
I feel like
it's
we makeup
something that
artists
they-
and people's not so interested in
Yeah.
getting to know us. They just want
Yeah.
they just need to know.
But I think that's also something that a lot of people struggle with, the whole foundation thing. Like, I always am very skeptical to give advice when it comes to foundation because, like, you need to actually, like, test it out on your skin. Like, that's how I always... Okay, best advice I will say is to get samples and then try it
Oh,
out.
100%. That is the easiest thing to do. Samples. And
Like, literally, I had a day where I literally just went around and I was like, please can you swatch a bit on my face? Can I get a sample of this? Like, I just did that the whole time at every store. Did that, went home, tested it out properly to see how it sits on my face over like a few days, whatever. And then I made my decision from there.
and what is one product that you would... You can only take one product on an island.
Oh, give me time. You say yours.
Holy Grail Flash.
That's not fair! That's cheating!
No, it's not.
That's cheating!
It's one product and a million uses.
That's cheating!
Next question. Would you start a makeup line one day?
I would start anything one day. Like, I'm all for anything. If I feel like doing something and I want to do it, then I'll do it. So maybe. Who knows?
What do you think would be your iconic product in your line?
Glitter. A glitter range.
No, you are so known for your glitter.
I would have a glitter range. So I'd have like glitter liners, glitter like pigment, glitter lipstick, glitter eyeshadow, maybe even glitter foundation, glitter highlighter, glitter skincare.
Some camphor. I love that.
I would go all out, babes. We're all gonna shine. We're gonna glow. The stars.
Funny questions. Do you think fishes ever get thirsty?
Are you nuts? Probably.
Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
It's like living in salt water, and salt makes me thirst.
To do that, what about freshwater fish? Like constantly hydrated.
Yo, they must have great like skin. Sure.
Why don't birds fall like when off trees or off when they're sleeping? Nature questions, confusing questions.
I don't know, eh? That's a good question to ask.
I feel like they might like just like freeze when they sleep, so they don't fall.
freeze.
Yeah, like they freeze.
Shana
and they-
freeze.
You know when dog food says like new and improved dog food, but then who tastes it to make sure it's
The
new and
dogs.
improved?
The dogs.
Oh, and then they tell you afterwards, yeah, this is.
And then they'll be like, I'll eat more. If they like it, they'll eat more, wouldn't they? She doesn't seem like she believes me. I don't. She's like, this human must taste it and tell us if this dog is gonna enjoy this.
Why do they call buildings building if it's already built? Why didn't they call it built? It's a bolt because it's built.
You mad? From now on, we're calling buildings bolts. Bolts.
What childish thing do you still enjoy?
I am like the biggest like cartoon animation person. Like I will watch all the animations and enjoy it like I'm flipping 5 years old. Like I love it.
Yeah, same. I still watch Cartoon Network.
I love it so much.
Wait, we both 2 lashes lost. Interesting.
Oh shit, I was supposed to do my lashes.
With your eyes, I was wondering now.
My bad. My bad, guys. My bad. This is such a nice color.
Yeah.
This is the Flormar lip crayon in 03. What shade is this?
Brownish nude.
Brownish. This is so pretty. I only have the one color. Oh.
It's a light. I know.
There's lights. Oh my god.
It's for you in the club, you know?
my lip gloss is popping and my lip gloss is cool.
Honey bun. Yes, sis. And you were like, oh, I can't do a fluffy brow. Look at you now, bitch. If you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
The whole world.
The whole world, bro.
You're nuts. Yo. What would you say?
Stop hating, bitch. That's what I'd say.
Fuck Trump. Yo. That's a big question.
I would say, I would say
My Instagram handle is
why didn't I think of that? You know what? We did this whole video for the purpose on like breaking our makeup habits and like swapping each other's routines. But we've done that before. We literally swapped our routines already. From that first video, I do exactly Nuzhah's routine and she does mine. It's insane. But yeah, that's the looks that we created, and we had a lot of fun just chatting and playing with makeup. And yeah, we're gonna head out now. So thank you guys so much for watching and just listening to our craziness. We'll be back with another collab soon.
Yes, it's gonna be a fun one.
It's gonna be
super
super
It's
fun.
not gonna be a sit-down one.
Yeah,
hint, hint.
We're gonna do some crazy things. So look forward to that. Love you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, and to watch the video on my channel.
Yes, go ahead to our channel and watch. What did you do for your video again? Oh, reverse makeup challenge.
Yes, we did the reverse makeup challenge.
Which was quite fun. And we're super crazy in that one. So you can have a lot of fun watching it. Bye! Bye!